Thousands of years ago, there was a dream of seeing one global village. Vasudeva Kutumbakam. Whole world is a family. That dream constituted ancient universities like Taxila and Nalanda. People were not just educated with knowledge, but with wisdom, still standing to that vision. India stands as a shining example for unity in diversity. Be it science, medicine, philosophy, sociology, administration or art. India is the mother of all civilizations. When the world was nomadic, we settled in the banks of Indus. When Western civilizations realized gods, we worshipped nature. There were no religions but just a centralized thought of varied philosophies. Atheism was no alien. No words of a God-man, but good men for the welfare of people, ages to come. In this vast variety of cultural manifesto, there was a small partake of a group called Jan Natya Manch. A small, yet significant group of street plays, which were the bloodline of the suffering public and the answers to their problems. Started as a medium of entertainment, it became the beautiful tone of the song of all the third world problems of that time, which was the group's golden period. The 1973s was when the first time a group stood against the system and challenged it. It was the Janam of Jan Natya Manch.
Janam from the very beginning has attracted all kinds of people from very diverse backgrounds, be it age or be it language or region. You will find people who are very young, who would be, in 19 or 20, or there would be people who are much older, now above 60 also. But there is always a very wide range, and it's very hard to say who comes more. Because there have been times when younger people have come, stayed on for 10 years and then gone and done other things. But there have also been people who've come, when they were 35 when they're actually fully adult and working and with lives, jobs and all, and then they've come and joined the group and they've stayed on. So it's a mix of both, mix of many things. At the same time, I would also say that people from a variety of backgrounds come. So it's not as if that everybody who comes to Janam is college educated or has a big degree or necessarily knows English or many other languages. So there are people who are not very highly educated in terms of college degrees. Otherwise, of course, education is much wider than that. And there are people who are, who've done their PhDs and come. So it's a wide range. There are people who do different kinds of jobs. They also come. And languages, definitely. I mean, I remember thinking that there are many languages in the group that can be understood, if need be. I mean, we do our plays only in one language, but there are many language areas.
Jan Natya Manch, Play for the People, started in 1973 in Delhi with some hard-working artists who put their time, labor, energy, love and work and kick-started this particular group. The leader of this assemblage was Safdar Hashmi, who gave life to this revolutionary group. He was the one who started to think loud and express his irritations at the public disappointments through these street acts. He introduced the audience to the ongoing problems in the society through his plays. He was a professor in Delhi University. Safdar sacrificed a lot for his ambitions and for his creation.
My association with Safdar Hashmi goes back almost about 25 years ago. I think it was sometime in 90s or, yeah. What a man, what a man. Whenever I've thought of him, I find that one has to have a stature, A man who's today was tomorrow. I mean, can you imagine guys coming and he's staging a Nukkad Natak and telling people, look, if the laborers come with small children and they do all the dirty work, where does the child go? Is he left on the floors and they build big buildings? He said, nothing doing. Let's have a Nukkad Natak raising this issue that the industrialists, the businessmen, the factory owners should have a space like a creche. And this will provide them certain kind of freedom and tension less, because they know their children are in safe hands. And toys and all these things will be got by people who would donate. That was Safdar Hashmi, a man who knew, who had a vision. And despite having that, his main focus was, I have to highlight these issues, social problems, and none of the rich, but the poor and the downtrodden. And look what he did. He carved a niche for himself.
In 2012 Shadipur, New Delhi, they opened a new studio by the name of Safdar Studio for the people involved in Janam and the students that were also joining Janam. A lot of working people and university students got into it. Some already involved from the time of Safdar's leadership.
मैं मम्मी बनूंगी, मैं मम्मी बनूंगा, मैं बनूंगी, मैं मम्मी बनूंगा। मैं मम्मी बनूंगा, मैं फिर पापा बनेंगे, हाँ, और तू बबली और मैं बबलू, हाँ। आलू का पराठा, ठंडी ठंडी दही, ओए हलवा पूरी, छोले पनीर, ओए मटन, आइसक्रीम, खीर भी दो, ओए चिकन तो खाओ। भूख लगी है।
When Janam started its work many years ago, we were essentially doing only theatre. Maybe a little bit of singing along with group, Parcham, which actually hadn't formed at that time, was formed much later. But today when I look back, I realize that we have actually diversified a lot. So we bring out a small magazine, we conduct workshops, we organize different kinds of talks. We also do the Safdar Hashmi Memorial Lecture. We do a variety of cultural activities with as joint programs with many organizations, where we don't just perform but we do other sorts of things in it also. So like Halla Bol we did recently, in which we didn't actually perform in that entire festival, the Halla Bol Utsav, but we were doing things.
The first play by them was Mrityu Ratit, which was a Bengali play performed by the group Janam on Durga Puja to collect some funds, and then they started to perform different other plays like Hatyare, Aurat, Raja Ka Baja, Halla Bol and many more. This year they celebrated the 25th anniversary of Safdar Hashmi. It is celebrated as Safdar's Martyrdom on February 21st, 22nd and 23rd, where the talents and people involved in the street plays give their respect to Safdar through their performances. Birth of Janam was not really easy from the start till now. They still face some problems and struggle to survive. Their need to survive had a huge impact on them. Maybe that's why they turned towards common man and helped them raise their voice.
It wasn't a question of police permission. It was a question of the location of that. Is this a good spot? I mean, for example, if there is a spot, remember when we went and performed where there was that mandi, Anaj Mandi, right? That was a great spot. See, it was very hot that day. And this was like middle of the day. So where will there be shade? If there is no shade, then where will the audience stand? We will perform in the sun, that's okay. So where they were saying originally, there was hardly any space there. We would have held up the traffic. So we said, let's go a little further up. There would be an open space, and we found that space. That wasn't to do with permission. That was to find a place which is where more people can come and watch. That's all. That happens very often. That between this end of the gully and that end of the gully, which is better? If there is a public tap in this end, I'm not going to perform there because people will be coming to fill water and I will be obstructing them.
They say that the whole world is a stage and we are its puppets. Puppets who smile, cry and dance and live with the grace of God. Just like the world, as a stage, there is one more stage that exists in the world called Jan Natya Manch, trying to find its own existence in the world. Lovingly, it is called Janam, performing around 7,500 times in more than 140 villages and cities, breathing into the problems of the public suffering. They support public anger, issues and opinions. They acted as human-like superheroes for the sufferers of the wrong in the world. 2nd January 1989 was a dark day for the people of Janam, as they got the news about their leader, Safdar Hashmi, passing away. During the Halla Bol play, he was murdered for raising his voice for the issues and against the system. After losing Safdar, Janam never gave up on helping people. Raised their voice and raised the issues, dealt with the society, even when they were facing financial troubles.
People's theatre stars the people. is how I see Jannatimans, and I think it fits Jannatimans. Even though it's not a slogan that we have coined, it's a much older slogan. But we have taken over the slogan with a lot of pride and a lot of apna bana liya hai.
Sattar, I would say, is a living legend. Absolutely a living legend. He may have gone out of this world. Physically, he will never come back. But all what he stood for is being relived every moment. And I'm sure Jannatiman Janam, as we popularly call it, is going to prove that his legacy will be